Please subscribe to our channel and don't let us comment and like the video.
In the early 20th century, physicist Albert Einstein found that one of the results of his general relativity theory assumed a black hole. When a star reaches its end, and its energy fades, it begins to collapse, then explodes, then turns into a black hole. But last year we had the first image of a black hole, after years of observation and analysis, and now have a double dance between two black holes. The black hole does not stand still in space, it can be very active in its movements. Because it is completely dark, it cannot be observed directly, and it is not easy to study. But scientists have finally discovered the exact timing of a complex dance between two massive black holes, and found subtle details about the physical properties of these mysterious cosmic objects. In the OJ 287 galaxy, one of the largest black holes ever found is 18 billion times larger than the mass of our Sun. And this giant orbits another black hole but less than a mass, but still a giant, and its mass are about 150 million times larger than the Sun's mass. Scientists have found that the binary dance occurs twice every 12 years, breaking the smaller black hole through the massive gas disk surrounding the larger one, creating a flash of light brighter than 1 trillion stars, and brighter, even from the entire Milky Way galaxy. This light takes 3.5 billion years to reach Earth. Because the orbit of the smaller black hole is rectangular, not circular, and irregular, it changes its rotation around the larger black hole. It tends to rotate more around the gas disk of the large hole, and when the smaller black hole breaks through the disk, it creates two bubbles of hot gas that move away from the disk in opposite directions. It took decades for scientists to model orbit and predict when the flares would occur. But in 2010 scientists devised a model that could be expected within 1 to 3 weeks, and showed that their model was correct by predicting the appearance of the glow in December 2015 within 3 weeks. The event was monitored by the Spitzer telescope, the infrared observatory, which went out of service in January this year. The only telescope to discover a flash away from the light that holds clues about the physical properties of these cosmic mysteries. It was impossible to observe the binary dance between the two holes from Earth, since the OJ 287 galaxy was on the other side of the Sun, away from all telescopes on Earth or even in Earth's orbit. NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope, flying into space 254 million kilometers from Earth, to be able to observe the event. Astronomers continue to analyze Spitzer's data through the Spitzer Data Archive at the Center for Science and Data for Astrophysics and Planetary Science in America. NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory managed Spitzer's mission operations.